Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaicans, get ready to another react. And today, guys, we're here with Headie One and Gazo. See, you call the name? Gazo. 22 Carats. Big up, Gazo. Big up, Headie One. If I'm butchering your name, my boss, I am sorry. So, we're gonna jump in the one and see what the G them a say. Big up on the early squad, them, you don't know what I'm saying. It's wrongly. Let's get it.
Nah, this is chaud ça. Hey. I'm all like text. One. Y'a que sous drogue ou dans ta peste que je me sens bien.
Alright. Subtitles here. Let's go! Subtitles.
Y'a que sous...
Only feel good. No. Hold on there. Only feel well I'm Yo, we can't read a blood clot. Yo, I don't know. Blame the blood clot rum I've been drinking.
Right.
Rum, please. Yo. Okay, him say only feel well when I'm on drugs or in your PUSSY pussy. Let's go. Alright, fuck the subtitles. Let's go, man.
Y'a que sous drogue ou dans ta peste que je me sens bien. J'suis dans la zik et les tu veux combien? Tu m'as laissé partir maintenant, guette ce que je deviens. Que je me rappelle si je reviens. Et je ferai mes hops que je sois en Gucci, Prada ou Céline. J'suis rempli de ice comme 𝐷1, oui c'est du vrai chéri.
Which language is this? Is this French? This is French, right?
Ma monnaie m'embellit, belly, toujours embellie. 22 carats, pareil tu vulgaire, or que je l'ai poli.
Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s, hand things we got more than one. Before gang got turned up, cash got back with a loaded gun. There was T-House, Lebanon, 𝐉𝐀𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐄𝐍 and 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 that went up for auction.
Wait, man. There's a few artists here. Jordan before the Jordan. Here, Dave said, him say, here, Chip said, that take the piss out of Dave them. Like, how much people can use a line of that? Like, Jordan 4 or Jordan 1, we got more than...
Toujours embellie.
Run, please!
22 carats, pareil tu vulgaire, or que je l'ai poli.
Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s, hand things we got more than one. Before gang got turned up, cash got back with a loaded gun. There was T-House, Lebanon, 𝐉𝐀𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐍 and 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 that went up for auction. Man survive a GP but couldn't survive a trade too.
Man survive a GP but couldn't survive. Okay, so what's going on here? The English where Headie One a talk a rap is going in French, and what the French guy is saying is going in English subtitles. That's cool. I like that.
And 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 that went up for auction. Man survive a GP but couldn't survive a trade too.
GP is general population for prison, right? General population, GP, yeah?
And 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐶𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 that went up for auction. Man survive a GP but couldn't survive a trade too. Awkward. Wish I never knew what rose gold did. The chandelier hair cost me a mortgage. Gang must stop in COVID, but they don't care about COVID. With all this work, I can't feel emotion.
Gang must up in COVID, but they don't care about COVID. So basically, it's come like me. I'm very antisocial. I've been antisocial even before COVID. Even before them say lockdown, I've been antisocial. So me understand like
gang must stop in COVID, but they don't care about COVID. With all this work, I can't feel emotion. The clips get filled, fallen. And if it ain't rap, then the band is still open.
Y'a que sous drogue ou dans ta peste que je me sens bien. J'suis dans la zik et les tu veux combien? Tu m'as laissé partir maintenant, guette ce que je deviens. Que je me rappelle si je reviens. Et je ferai mes hops que je sois en Gucci, Prada ou Céline. Je suis rempli de ice comme 𝐷1, oui c'est du vrai chéri. Ma monnaie m'embellit, belly, toujours embellie. Bande de Carats, pareil que je suis vulgaire, or que je l'ai poli.
I can't save a hoe, so now she just out there broken. I put ice on my wrist, but it ain't been swollen. I see bro get told.
I like that. I like that. I put the ice on my wrist and it ain't even been swollen. Like, yo, that me do like.
She just out there broken. I put ice on my wrist, but it ain't been swollen. I see bro get told. You gotta do two further with a half a sentence like a semicolon. How much time did I ride that four-door truck? I ain't take my phone in. All we did was ride, Trojan. All they did was hide 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐀𝐍. I got bad for works, had to
I get that.
It was ride, Trojan.
All I did was ride, Trojan, like Trojan horse, yeah, from back in the days, and man, I'm gonna do it. That's my horse impression, don't even. Hey, yo, rum please, me drunk, you fuck. So all I did was ride, alright? And then him say, that part I'm like, no, listen to the part I'm like.
How much time did I ride that four-door truck? I ain't take my phone in. All we did was ride, Trojan. All they did was hide 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐀𝐊.
All I did was hide 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐀𝐊. That's the youth where in a Home Alone. The little boy where you stay in a Home Alone. Him a big crackhead now. Big him up still, but him a crackhead now. I know. Him depends something else. But yeah, Home Alone, you don't know when him have to hide from the robber them and sing. This is one of my favorite Christmas movies by the way. So.
Truck, I ain't take my phone in. All we did was ride, Trojan. All they did was hide 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐀𝐊. I got bad for works, had to spend all night to my shorty lotioning.
On pull up ta loque, tu perds ta caution. Aucun manque de respect, on te cautionne. Traîne avec bosseur et inconscient. Si j'avais pas médit de la race humaine, j'serais dégoûté. Ah, elle t'a parlé sur nous, j'crois bien qu'on va s'éviter. Puis t'envoies mes talbans. Puis t'envoies mes talos pour nous, tu vas t'éviter. Y'a que sous drogue ou dans ta parce que je me sens bien. J'suis dans la 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐿 et tu veux combien? Tu m'as laissé partir maintenant, qu'est-ce que je deviens? Que je me rappelle si je reviens. Et je ferai mes hops que je sois en Gucci, Prada ou Céline. Je suis rempli de ice comme Headie, one, oui c'est du vrai chéri. Ma monnaie m'embellit, belly, toujours un belly. Bande de Carats, pareil que je suis vulgaire, or que je l'ai poli.
Jordan 4s, Jordan 1. Hand things we got more than one. Before gang got turn up, cash got back with a load of gun nose. T-house labeled on 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐂𝐀𝐍 and dirty wax that went up for auction. Massive average GP, but couldn't survive a trade too.
Yo, I'm telling you this. Yo, the fact that the UK artists are branch out and adult music with other artists from different countries. Me like that. Like me big pan the unity of the music business, yo. Me big pan merging different sounds. Me big pan merging even different language, different accents. Me big pan it. Me like it. So obviously me couldn't pick up everything where Gazo said. I think Gazo is like a group. It's not just one person. I thought it was one person at the starting of it, but you don't know. Me like it. Big up Headie one for getting this feature, and I'm pretty sure the language that they must speak is French. So big up on the big up all the French people, and big up all of the fans of this group also. You see me? So this is how I'm gonna leave the one here. If you enjoy the one here, I want to see more of Mr. Rum. Please. Then you know what to do, man. You know what to do. I ain't gonna say it in this video. You know what to do. Big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.